friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a cozy clean with me. We're kind of resetting the bed. I've washed my duvet cover and sheets. We've got to put those back on. And then we have to finally move out this couch. Our old couch is going to go and our new couch is going to come in. We're not going to actually set up the new couch in today's video, but my plan is to get the old couch out, roll up the rug because we're going to get a new rug in here too, and kind of get the ball rolling with that because we've been putting it off and the boxes of our new couch have been in our kitchen for weeks at this point. So we've got to get the ball rolling on that and figure out a place for this. In the meantime, we don't know if we're going to sell it on Marketplace or what we're going to do with it. So we've got to figure that out. And so lots of just like things around the house. I also went to Kroger this morning and I picked up some things to make a really fun recipe with y'all. I ran into these donut peaches. And I think I bought these one other time and I couldn't remember if I liked them or not. So it says they are super sweet, California grown. So I'm excited to try these. But I also have a really fun recipe that I want to use them in. It's like a peach tomato burrata salad with basil. Very excited about that. So I've got my basil, we're gonna chop that up. I've got my burrata cheese. If you've never tried burrata cheese and you are like a pasta lover or a cheese lover, you have to try burrata cheese. The only place I can ever find it is Kroger, but it is incredible. It's good on everything. And then I also picked up my two little cotton candy Alani's. Anytime I see the cotton candy flavor, I have to grab it. I love those. I also picked up some cherry tomatoes to go in our little salad, and avocado. And you know it's getting close to fall when I grab the brown butter cookie or the brown butter coffee creamer. I'm so excited. We are getting so close to fall. I'm not discounting summer at all because I know we're in the middle of July and I love summer, but so excited to start thinking about fall, start doing some fall shopping and kind of collecting what I want for this year's fall decor. But until then, we are going to enjoy the rest of summer. We're going to make a really fun fresh salad and just kind of have a cozy clean with me day. So let's get started. Okay, are you even a toddler mom if your living room does not look like this? We have toys everywhere, so I've got to tackle the toys. We're obviously moving the couch out of here. I want to roll the rug up. We've got all of these curtains right here that I took off of these windows and our kitchen windows because they need to be washed. Annie Kate sits right next to these curtains with her high chair and she grabs onto them and gets food all over them. And then these were just really dusty, so I'm going to shake these out in the backyard, go throw them in the washer, and then we're going to get started on this living room disaster. Pretty soon we are going to have a living room makeover, so I'm very excited about that. We're going to be painting, getting a new couch, new rug, and a new entry space, so I'm very excited to share that very soon. But before that comes all of the prep work, so let's get started. I went thrifting the other day and I found this at a little local thrift store. I love it. Such a fun pop of gold up here on our TV stand, and I just put my little spiced pomander candle up here for the 4th of July. I think this is actually a Christmas candle, but it's red.
I can't help but notice you coming down the street, smiling so dearly, at everyone you meet. And I can't help but notice you throwing me a glance, a wink telling me there's a chance. I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. No other could enchant me, darling, like you do. 'Cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. Your sister says she loves me, wants to share my name. She spoke to Reverend Bixby, they've already set the date. So I'm working up the guts to tell her I'll never say I do. 'Cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for...
Y'all, I am addicted to this game. Anytime my kids are like taking a nap or doing a little activity or something, I will sit and play Goods Hunt. It's a little mobile game where you control a growing shopping haul where you collect groceries, beauty products, toys, and you slowly watch all of these items disappear, which I feel like every mom would enjoy because we're constantly picking up toys in real life, constantly doing dishes, getting groceries, and it's really nice to just sit down and make them all disappear all in one little swipe. As a mom, being able to fill an entire grocery basket with the swipe of a finger is a dream come true, or being able to pick up a whole pile of clutter with the swipe of a finger. It also takes like no time at all to finish a level, and whenever you need to quit, it saves your progress, which that's what I love because my kids are always needing me, whether Annie needs me to help her get dressed up in her dress ups or Oliver needs me to come help him with something. It's one of those games where you can just put it down, go help your kid, and then come right back to it if you want to. I personally do not have a lot of time to get involved in a really intense game or one that's not going to save my progress. That's just really frustrating to me. So I love that Goods Hunt, you can save your progress, come back later. They're just little bite-sized levels that you can achieve while you're brewing your afternoon coffee. It's that simple. So if you're anything like me and you're ever looking for a way to kind of check out from the messy house or the loud kids running around, you can download Goods Hunt on the App Store or on Google Play. Thank you so much to Goods Hunt for sponsoring today's video. Okay, very glad to have those boxes out of my kitchen. They've been on this wall right here and I haven't hardly been able to walk through my kitchen. And Will would have done that for me, but I'm just eager to get them out of here. So I got them in the living room. We cleaned up the floors, cleaned up the living room. And so now he can come home from work and put our new couch together. You'll see that in a video coming really soon. And then we've got to list our other couch and get that on Marketplace and get that out of here because we do not have room for 2 couches. I wanted to share this really delicious peach salad with y'all. It calls for cherry tomatoes, peaches, burrata cheese, basil, I think some other stuff too, but I'm gonna just do it with y'all. Okay, here's everything you need for the perfect peach caprese. You need balsamic, obviously, cherry tomatoes, basil, and I got the little donut peaches. We're gonna see if those are good. They feel really nice and tender, so that's good. It called for a lemon. All I have is a lime, so we're gonna squeeze just a little bit of lime juice. And I thought it might be good to try Mike's Hot Honey, but I'm gonna drizzle that just on my part, not on everybody's, just in case it's not good. And then of course, burrata. I also have some mozzarella pearls that I'll probably pop in there too. But let's throw this together. I think it's gonna be so good. Annie Kate loves these little tomatoes. On the 4th of July, I was supposed to make a pasta salad and she ate the entire container. Okay, now this is the best part. It is full of cream. So delicious. Tomatoes. Burrata, basil, a little squeeze of lime. I'm not gonna do very much of this. Mix it all up. I'm also going to throw in some of these mozzarella pearls. I'm going to top it with one big burrata and then the balsamic. So good. Okay, I am a little scared that this Mike's Hot Honey is going to ruin it, so let's just put it on a tiny little portion. I like the saltier version better, but it's not bad. Kids were playing doctor with their stuffies, so all of their stuffies are in my Okay, I recently ordered this book on Amazon, The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. Y'all have probably heard of it because it is viral right now, but it's like a self-help book. Apparently it's full of proven methods to help you protect your time and energy. So I'm very excited to get into this. I'm gonna start this book as soon as I finish editing this video, and I'll let y'all know how it is.